Experiencing camera issues on your 2024 Tesla Model 3 with Hardware 4? You're not alone. These models have faced intermittent camera failures affecting autopilot, full self-driving, and safety features. The good news is many issues are now resolved through software updates. This video will guide you through troubleshooting steps, potential fixes, and what to do if the problem persists. The HW4 camera system in Tesla's Model 3 2024 is a sophisticated vision-based setup that powers autopilot and full self-driving features. Let's explore its key components and how it works. The HW4 system features 8 high-resolution cameras strategically positioned around the vehicle, 5 forward-facing cameras for long-range detection, 2 side cameras for blind spot monitoring, and 1 rear camera for backup assistance. These cameras provide comprehensive coverage around the vehicle, each with specific fields of view and maximum detection distances, as shown in this sensor diagram. The cameras feed data to powerful neural networks that process information in real time for critical driving functions, including object detection, lane keeping assistance, and pedestrian avoidance. When issues occur, you might see error messages such as "cameras not calibrated" or "vision system offline" displayed on the vehicle's screen. Camera failures can result from several factors, including calibration issues from misalignment, environmental interference like heavy rain or mud, or rare hardware defects in the camera modules. To maintain optimal performance, regularly clean camera lenses to remove dirt and debris, and avoid aftermarket modifications that could affect aerodynamics or sensor alignment. The first and often easiest fix for Tesla HW4 camera issues is a soft reboot. Start by parking your Tesla and ensuring it's in park mode. This safety step prevents any movement during the reset process. Next, locate the scroll wheels on both sides of the steering wheel. These are the buttons used for volume control and other functions. Press and hold both scroll wheels at the same time. Keep them pressed until the touchscreen responds. The touchscreen will go completely black, signaling the system is restarting. After a moment, the Tesla logo will appear, indicating the infotainment system is rebooting. This soft reboot restarts the infotainment system and can clear temporary software glitches that may be causing camera function issues in your Tesla Model 3. If a soft reboot doesn't work, try power cycling. Put the car in park, P. Hold down the brake pedal and press the power button on the touchscreen for about 10 seconds. This performs a deeper system reset, potentially clearing more stubborn camera errors. This step helps to clear out temporary software glitches that may be causing the issue. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues with your Tesla's camera system. To fix this, ensure your vehicle is connected to Wi-Fi for updates. First, ensure your Tesla is connected to Wi-Fi to download updates. On the touchscreen, navigate to the Software menu and check for available updates. Install any pending updates when prompted. Tesla frequently releases over-the-air or OTA fixes that specifically address camera-related problems. These updates have resolved a significant number of camera issues, improving system reliability. Now we'll check the calibration of your Tesla's cameras and consider environmental factors that might interfere with the vision system. First, verify if the cameras are properly calibrated. Full calibration typically requires Tesla service tools, but you can check for basic issues yourself. Ensure the camera lenses are clean and unobstructed. Dirt, mud, or debris can block the camera's view. Environmental conditions can interfere with the vision system. Mud, snow, or heavy rain can obstruct cameras. Clean the lenses and wait for improved weather conditions to see if the issue resolves. If problems persist even in optimal conditions, it may indicate a calibration problem requiring professional service. When basic troubleshooting steps like reboots, power cycling, software updates, and calibration checks don't resolve your Tesla Model 3's camera issues, it's time to seek professional help from Tesla Service. Tesla Service can perform in-depth diagnostics to identify hardware problems with the HW4 camera system or conduct advanced calibration procedures that require specialized equipment. In some cases, faulty camera modules may need to be replaced under warranty. Be aware of Tesla's voluntary recall issued in 2025 for certain 2024 Model 3 units with faulty camera modules. Tesla offers free replacements for affected vehicles. To check if your vehicle is included in this recall, you'll need to verify your vehicle identification number, or VIN. Professional service centers have access to Tesla's diagnostic tools and can thoroughly test the entire HW4 vision system, including all 8 cameras and sensor fusion components, to pinpoint the exact cause of the problem. Looking ahead, Tesla continues to enhance its camera systems through ongoing software updates and AI improvements, significantly reducing vision-related issues over time. The neural network architecture, with its backbone for image processing and head for decision-making outputs, demonstrates how AI makes the system more intelligent and adaptable. Current trends emphasize software-driven fixes and combining multiple sensors like cameras, radar, and ultrasound for redundant coverage, preventing single-point failures. For preventative maintenance, regularly clean camera lenses and ensure your vehicle receives over-the-air updates, which deliver fixes wirelessly without visiting a service center. Future Tesla models will integrate advanced camera arrays with self-healing firmware that automatically corrects calibration and handles environmental challenges. By keeping your software updated and performing routine maintenance, you can ensure optimal camera performance and minimize potential issues. This proactive approach, combined with Tesla's technological advancements, points to a reliable future for autonomous driving.